Hi everyone, today in this video I will not share with you any type of tips and tricks, advices, practices and anything about and related to the English. Today I am gonna do a little bit different thing. So now the different thing is that today I am gonna show you a game, and then after showing you the game I will understand and I will describe and discuss about the game. So this game is a very puzzling game, but nowadays it is also a very trending and very viral game. Okay, so I don't know the name of the game exactly, but in this game there are two boys who are playing this game. So the game rules is that in front of the both of the boys there are some basket. Okay, two basket there are, and behind the basket there are a very big line of balls. Okay, small little balls. But now the task is that the two boys they have to start the game at the same time, and they have to take one ball and put that ball on the basket. Again they will take a ball and they have to put the ball into the basket, and they have to do this thing and repeat this thing until they finish their all of the balls. And at the ending point, who will do these tasks, who will finish all of his balls, he will win the match. So it is the game on. But now there is another little difference. So the difference is that the two boys that are shown in the video, they will do the game, they will play the game, but in different ways. Okay, so the different ways are, so the first boy, he is taking and putting the closer balls of the basket, but the second boy, he is just going at the ending point of the line of balls, and he is taking the last ball and coming in front of the basket and he is putting. But now the question is who will win, and doesn't matter who wins but how. So now guys, let's start this video. In this video I will describe this game. Don't miss the last part of this video, because at the last part I will give a lesson to everyone which we can get from the game of the balls. If you can capture, then you can motivate yourself very highly and the success will be very easy for you, because you will be successful at the first moment. So let's start. So the game starts and the two boys, they started collecting the balls and putting all of them into the basket. So the first boy, he started the game by putting the closer balls of the basket. He thought that if I do all of them, then slowly at the ending I will put the far away balls. But first of all I have to just put all of them. But now the second boy, he did not do the same. He went to the ending point and then he collected all of the balls which is in the ending point, and he put all of them one by one in the. There is also another thing which is one kind of a rule. You can't take 2, 3, 4 balls at a one time. You have to take one ball and you have to put it. So at this rule they started doing the game, they started playing the game, and if anyone watches the game, they also will think that yes, the first boy, he is taking all of the balls, he has taken all of the balls, and now there are also few balls are there in the ending of the line. So that's why it also will be very easy for him to go there and also come back with some balls. But on the another hand, the second boy, he just completed all of his hard working thing. Okay, means hard working thing, what is means at the first moments he just wasted and he invested all of his energies by running and coming back, and he completed all of the balls which are very far from the basket. Now he has few balls which are very close to the basket. But on the other hand, the first boy, he have put all of the balls from the middle, from the starting point to the basket. But now there are 3 or 4 balls. Okay, 2 balls are there which are in the ending point of the line. But now what they will do and who will win? The clear winner was the boy who started the game for the first point. But there is a little thing change, and when the first boy has only two or one ball. Then the second boy, he started collecting the balls very quickly. Now he don't have to just run and also come back. He just have to move his hand quickly. He have to take one ball and he have to put the ball into the basket. He just have to do the thing again and again and again, and guess what, he just won. Yes, the game is very easy, but the players, they are thinking their ways to play the game, that was just different. And for these simple differences, the second boy who did the hard work first of all, he just won the game. So this game also like is our life. Okay, our life is also like that. In our life, if we do the hard things, mean the hard work first of all at the first moment of our life, then when we will go up, when we will grow our life, and when we will grow to ourselves, then the work which we now doing and which is like for us very hard work, that will be very easy for us. So now for the English beginners also, who are just very new to learn the English, what they are doing, they also just feeling that this English speaking is very hard. When we speak, then we understand. Whenever we speak, we do mistake, we hesitate. But now I can now understand that now I only have to focus on my vocabularies, my grammatical mistakes and problems. But now the English speaking, it's very easy for me. I love to speak the English language because I would do many practices, hard practices. All of those practices that I would do, they become a very easy practice for me. But when you also will start this game of English language, you also will face many type of problems. You will feel that, oh, it's a very hard working thing, I can't do it, just don't say me to practice the English speaking. But if you just do it, then it will be very easy for you. Okay, the game also teaches us this thing, that first of all, if you do the hard things, okay, if you just do the hard works, then at the ending and at the last point, you don't have to do any kind of hard work. The game, all of the things will be easier for you. Remember one thing, the businessmen people, do you think that for every day, for incoming money, they just do works? They also do hard work every day for to income some money? No, absolutely wrong. The businessmen people, they just do hard work at the first time, and their work grows up by sitting only the income money, by also working many peoples under them. So this thing I want to share everyone. Just remember this game, and what you learn from this game, just let me know in the comment section. Bye bye guys. If I miss anything, then you also can send the thing into the comment section. So bye bye. I hope everyone loved and liked this video. Thank you for watching guys. I hope we will meet in the another next video with a brand new content, with a brand new topic. Only you have to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. If you do that, then all of the videos notification, that will come to you very fast and very soon. So bye bye.